how to transfer money from Sweatcoin to Binance. So here's how it works. First, you will need to have connected your Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet here. So right here you will see Sweat Wallet, and you need to have sufficient funds. Now, once you have connected your accounts and have sufficient funds added to your account, you will then click on send. Now you want to choose the currency which you will send to Binance. For example, here Sweat Economy, and it's going to ask you for the username or the address. Now I'm going to go back into Binance right here, and you want to select receive here. So click on receive, and that's going to generate your address, wallet address. You want to then put that wallet address into the Sweat wallet. So here you will just paste the address. Then you need to enter the amount which you are trying to send from Sweatcoin or Sweat Wallet to Binance and confirm it, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.